If your mind feels busy and your body feels tense, this Yoga Nidra is designed to guide you into deep rest. The kind of rest that not only restores your energy, but also repairs your nervous system and clears your mind. During this practice, we'll calm the stress response, activate your vagus nerve, and invite your body into its natural healing state. Find a comfortable position lying on your back or any other position where your body feels supported. Let the weight of your body sink fully into the surface beneath you. Your breath is unforced. Your jaw softens. Your shoulders melt. Know that for a short while there is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. You are safe and fully supported. And now slowly rotate awareness through the body, starting on the right side with the right hand thumb, the right first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, the top of the right hand and the palm of the right hand, the right wrist, the right forearm, the right elbow, the right upper arm, and the right shoulder, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, the right knee, shin and calf, the right ankle, the top of the right foot, and the sole of the right foot, the heel, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now bring awareness to the left side of the body, beginning with the left thumb, the left first finger, second finger, third finger, and little finger. The palm of the left hand and the top of the left hand, the left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, waist, the left hip, thigh, knee, calf and shin, the left ankle, the top of the left foot, and the sole of the left foot, the heel, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring awareness to your breath. Without changing it, begin to notice the rhythm of your breath. And now bring awareness to your exhalation. And see if you can slow down your exhalation to a count of 6. And now bring awareness to the inhalation, breathing in to a count of 4, exhaling to a count of 6. Staying with this breathing pattern, inhale for 4, exhale for 6, and seeing if you can extend the pause after you exhale before you inhale. And as you settle into that pause, see if you can let your shoulders go just a little bit more than you thought possible. Letting go of the hips, maybe finding another layer of tension that you can let go of. And now bring awareness to your heart space, allowing the breathing to breathe for itself. Imagine a warm light at the center of your chest, expanding with each inhale and exhale. Silently saying to yourself, I am safe to rest. I am worthy of ease. My body knows how to heal. With every exhale, imagine releasing any heaviness, any tension, any old stories that don't belong to this moment. And with each inhale, you're receiving light, calm, and clarity. Inhaling light, exhaling anything heavy. You are enough exactly as you are. Here lies your true core self, beneath the layers of cultural and social conditioning, resting in complete stillness. You are whole. It doesn't matter what car you drive, what house you live in, or what title you hold. You don't have to achieve anything at all to be valued. Simply being in this moment with this breath is enough. And now tuning into your future self and imagining yourself waking tomorrow morning. You feel well rested, calm, with a deep sense of clarity. you feel strong in your body and peaceful in your mind. See yourself moving through the day with presence and purpose. Anchoring into this feeling now so that your body remembers how to return to this flow. And now you may choose to drift into sleep or gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Begin to deepen the breath. Invite small movements into the fingers and toes, or gently rocking your head from side to side in a slow awakening, saying to yourself, my practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your nervous system, your mind, and your future self. Namaste.